So this cute playsuit just arrived from H&M, and I love the fit. It's a small size. The one I bought previously was M and it was a little loose, but I kept it because it was really comfy. I kind of feel I can wear it as a party outfit. Hello, as well, like wearing your sleeper to parties is so cool. Like, put a sexy belt and it kind of feels like a playsuit you can wear to a party. Who would know? It's damn comfortable, very sexy. And the other box has my sportswear. Ooh, this almost feels like lavender. Wow, I love the details. Ooh. So I let people choose which set to buy, and this had the maximum votes. So I bought this. It was a choice between the pink and this. But this kind of seemed blue when I bought it. Why does it seem lavender now? Okay, so I kind of really dig the pants. Though I hate this feature. Why the fuck is this there? Because if I like tuck this in, it's gonna show through, right? Yep, it's gonna show through. But it has like cool zippers, so you can like take things, probably put your phone here. It's gonna be weird if you put your phone here. But it has like zipper details and feels really nice. It's like all reflective. I can probably take it for a spin now and see if it kind of reflects, because it's nighttime right now. And it has zippers here also. And the back is really cool, but it felt really tight, so I kind of loosened it a bit. I don't know, I think I should have gotten a medium, or maybe a medium would be too loose. But this is like high support, so I kind of like it. This is really gonna motivate me to work out tomorrow. Anyways, my abs are not seen, right? Because my abs are like, oh, said goodbye, left the building. I like the sports bra to end here, where I can see my bloody abs, but I think I have to pose like this. Oh god. I better not spill wine if I want to return it. But I think I'm gonna keep this. What do you think? I kind of like the color, it's dope. Though I don't think I'm gonna wear this while I'm doing my period yoga, because, you know, paranoia. Good morning, guys. It's 5 a.m. and I woke up a little earlier, around 4:20-ish. I'm used to waking up at 6, but then I'm doing this video to see if I can wake up at 5 every single day. Today is a success. Today is a Sunday, and not today is a Saturday. Ow, ow, ow. My boobs hurt. Oh, she wants cuddles. It's still dark outside, and I just turned on my warm light. Warm lights are better. Didn't want to turn on my cold white light yet. I want to start my day with a run. That is something I haven't done in a while, and I'm just gonna challenge myself and see if I can do this for a week. That I'm gonna just quickly make my bed. Just gonna get into my brand new workout outfit from H&M. These are for running. Good morning, Brownie. Hello. Feels so good. The air is fresh. Okay, let's go for a walk, honey. You love me. I love you too. So I'm already in my workout outfit. Ooh, it feels nice and chilly, which you rarely can feel in like March of Kolkata, and such positive vibes with me. Love that, huh? Really blessed and lucky. I don't have a tripod with me, so I guess you can't see me run. But it feels good, like the roads are almost empty. I'm kind of starting off with Liz, low intensity, steady state, walking. And so I'm just gonna go and take a round of the society I stay in. It's pretty nice and pretty and well maintained, so kind of also motivates me to walk and run every single day. So that was around one. Feels really, really good. And now I'm gonna take a selfie. Brownie. So I thought I'm gonna go and grab some breakfast from King's Bakery, but they don't even have like a set breakfast menu. Pretty disappointing. And I thought I'll have their omelette, but they put buns instead of bread, and I was not having it. And that wasn't even the problem. The problem was the AC was not on, and it is scorching hot today. Gosh, that irritated me so much. I just went and bought some groceries so I can make myself a fucking sandwich, save a hell lot of money. But I have to do it because I thought I'm gonna just sit and work, but that shit ain't happening right now. I have to give more time to cooking because adulting and shit. You live with your parents, appreciate your mother or whoever is cooking for you. So I'm back home. This is the outfit I was wearing. Fuck, I feel so exhausted. The heat is gonna kill us all. Like global warming, whoever does not believe in it is a fucking moron. Go check your brains. So since I gave up on buying me some breakfast, I made me a sandwich, a tomato cucumber cheese sandwich with the goodness of coriander. This is what I'm having for lunch. Clearly it's not healthy, but I have to shoot a lot and I don't have time to make something fancy. It's leftover rice and an egg and some coriander I bought in the morning. It's damn tasty because it has butter in it.
Overdose deaths last year. We have 81,000. The war is over. West Virginia lost.
It's almost 12 right now. It's a little late, but I am really tired, so I'm writing my journal and gradually fall asleep.